Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to take a quick tour of one of our Rock Commerce websites, TapeCase. TapeCase is an e-commerce website that we launched on the Rock platform in early 2022. This website features custom integrations with Salesforce, Great Plains, and Authorize.net. In addition to these integrations, TapeCase has over 30,000 plus products and has 4 custom calculators. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour. First, let's take the time and talk about some of the products. As I mentioned earlier, TapeCase has over 30,000 plus products. A lot of these products are grouped together with 100 plus simple products. Because there are so many simple products, Rock features these items listed out in a table format instead of using drop-down boxes. Also, we have filters at the top of the page for customers to select shape and size. They can also use filters to select specific weights, lengths, or other variables. If a customer is not able to find their specific dimensions, TapeCase is able to give that customer permission to their custom calculator, and that customer can submit dimensions for custom tape and special pricing with quantity breaks. This link will be featured on the product pages that these custom calculators can be applied to. All the customer has to do is pick which customization they would like. They can then select the type of tape they would like cut and enter specific dimensions. Once Get a Quote is clicked, the customer's custom tape information is sent to Salesforce as an opportunity for TapeCase staff to follow up. Then the customer is taken to a page with quantity breaks and pricing. From here, the customer can enter their email address and click the Send button. Once they click the Send button with their email address, the entire quote is sent to Salesforce for TapeCase to process. Another integration we have with Salesforce is the newsletter sign-up. Once a customer enters their email in the newsletter sign-up field, that information is sent to Salesforce for TapeCase to add to their email marketing campaign. Customers are also able to sign up on the Rock platform, and any new customer information collected is sent to Salesforce. So once a customer creates a new account, all information goes to TapeCase's Salesforce. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to view this quick tour of TapeCase.